fill marble.
Hello, Maker Jackie.
Jackie, we've got something.
There's nothing besides cars? Oh my god. What is it? What's happening? Who's throwing?
We switched to Prusa for 3D printers early on.
It's the most advanced among current FDM printers.
US what?
Yes, there's such an acronym. You'll know if you take the 3D printer test. It might look like one print, but they have different names. See this? It's a brim. Remove the brim. It increases contact with the bed, helping to reduce shrinkage and warping. It's not always needed unless the base area is narrow or unstable. The things above are supports, which fill gaps and provide stability for unsupported parts.
오! 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 오!
Oh! Now if you look here, it's a rigid square, right? Yes, but can you see?
Oh, now it's a circle.
Oh. Look square here, round in the mirror.
Yes, from my side it's a square, but from your view, it's a circle, Jackie.
Yes, circle.
Then circular to me.
Looks circular to them. Square to me.
Again.
Here's the next one. Oh my. Oh my god.
Why no support?
So, this design considers the overhang limit angle. 3D prints have a limit angle where a support is needed if it goes beyond a certain angle. If designed within that angle, it comes out clean without supports. It's designed considering the overhang angle.
Okay, next. Why tear it?
Peeling delicately.
Oh, what exactly is this? While the marble rises smoothly.
Actually, it's not an uphill. It's a downhill.
And try to analyze it. It really doesn't seem like a downhill, does it?
Slightly change angle. It went up the hill. Marble uphill.
What is this illusion?
오! 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 Amazing.
Oh, you need to align it perfectly.
Like this. How to show it? Isn't it this?
That's right.
Wow.
Wow. For this final piece, we really need something quite strong and powerful.
What is it?
We need something strong for this. To you viewers on the camera now, Nunley, you'll see a side profile, but soon it won't be a face.
What?
You let me try?
Yep.
Reloading. Let's get ready for the next amazing part.
All right, 3, 2.
Romeo,
Is it a puppet?
what? A puppet. Yes, a puppet.
Pop and posture. What's this?
That's hilarious. What is this? What is this?
What is this?
What is this?
What is this?
I made a rocket. Eureka! I made a rocket.
What did you see?
I'm having fun, guys. The next YouTube thing. Can it fly with the car cartridge? But if you buy a 3D printer, you can't make everything you imagine. But you can make what you like. For example, if you like cars, you can make them. If you like engines or motorcycles, you can make them.
Why only them? Anything else?
If you have a 3D printer but don't know what to print or aren't good at designing, don't worry, there's Thingiverse for you. What's Thingiverse? It's all the Soapens files available to the public. Just printing what's on open. So it's going to be surprisingly fun. Okay everyone, we'll return with more advanced and fun 3D printing content. Geekball out!
Geek.